Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. In today's video we will discuss how to set up Generic U14 Wi-Fi Extender using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the Generic Extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. Basically, the Generic U14 Wi-Fi Extender is a small wireless repeater designed to increase the coverage of your existing Wi-Fi network. Firstly, plug the Generic U14 Wi-Fi Extender into a wall power outlet. Place it near your main router during the setup process. Wait about 30 to 60 seconds for the extender to power on completely. The power LED light will turn solid, indicating that the device is ready. Find the WPS button on your main Wi-Fi router. Usually, it's at the back or side of the router. It may be labeled as WPS or have a lock with Wi-Fi signal icon. Press and hold the WPS button on your router for 2 to 3 seconds. The WPS light on the router will start blinking. This means it's searching for a device to connect. Now look for the WPS button on the side or front of the extender. On some models, the button may also function as a reset/WPS button. Within 2 minutes of pressing the router's WPS button, press the WPS button on the Generic U14 extender. Hold it for about 1 to 2 seconds, then release it. The extender LED light will start blinking. This indicates that the extender is trying to connect to the router. Wait around 30 to 90 seconds. During this time, the extender will automatically detect your router, copy the router's Wi-Fi settings or connect to the network. When the LED light becomes solid or stable, the connection is successful. Open the Wi-Fi settings on your phone, laptop, or tablet. Look for the extended network name. Usually it appears like your Wi-Fi name _ext or your Wi-Fi name _2.4G_ext. Select the extended network. Enter the same password as your main router. Now your device will connect through the extender. Now setup complete. Your Generic U14 Wi-Fi Extender is now ready to extend your Wi-Fi signal and remove dead zones in your home or office. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for such more informative videos.